Brother, this is Shay. Today the video is an important one. It's about saving your relationship. If you are experiencing sexual performance anxiety or erection problems and you're thinking you don't want to lose the person that you love, you want to give your partner pleasure but you're worried about them losing interest because of this, then stick here, you're in the right place. I'm going to share one pro tip that you can start using straight away. Before I do that, on the bottom right hand of the screen, you will see a red box that says subscribe. This video is helpful for you, then click on that box so that you can get the latest tools and strategies as I share them. So what is this pro tip? I've broken it down into 3 areas, H, R, and A. We'll go through them one by one. First, H is honest. It's about having an honest conversation, not a defensive conversation. What do I mean by that? Honest is in saying to your partner, look, I know this is happening. I don't know the exact reason why this is happening. I don't have all of the answers, but I want to work through this with you. So that's the first one, having an honest conversation, not I don't know and you must accept this. If you can't accept me, that's defensive. Second is the R, reassurance. This is really important. So as part of this conversation, then reassuring your partner, I'm committed to you, I love you, or I want to be with you. I really like the person that you are, and I understand this is frustrating. I also want us to be able to have great sex, and I just want to reassure you this is not to do with you as a person. This is me, that I need to work through this, but I really like you and I want to be with you. So this reassurance helps to ground our partner and helps them feel safe, because ultimately that's what this is about, is that they feel unsafe. What if the person isn't attracted to me? What if they leave me? It's made them feel unsafe. So it's our responsibility to make them feel safe again. How do we do that? By offering genuine reassurance that they are the person that we want to be with. And the third area is action. This is critical. I know I said the one before was the most important. This is equally just as important. Taking action, we must do this because then we're backing up our words. If I just reassure my partner and say, I'm going to get this sorted and I want to be with you, but then I don't do anything about it, that's unsafe for them, right? We're not taking action, so we must, even when it feels uncomfortable. And I'm not talking about watching more YouTube videos. I'm not talking about trying new pills that give short-term solutions or short-term fixes, not long-term solutions. I'm talking about doing the work and finding the tools, the strategies to be able to get this sorted over the long term. Okay, so just to recap, HRA. H, having an honest, open conversation, not defensive. R, reassuring your partner so that they know they are the person that you want in your life. You want them there because you love them, you like them, you want to be with them, and there's this challenge that you want to work through. And the third, A, action. Taking action even when it feels uncomfortable and doing more than just watching videos or listening to things. Doing the uncomfortable work. All right, if you're thinking, okay, but what is the action that I need to take? The first step is what I call the performance anxiety quiz. This is 10 yes or no questions that I've put together that you can ask yourself. It's a free quiz. It will take you less than 2 minutes to complete. Below in the comments, you'll see the link to that quiz. If this sounds good to you, click on that link. It will take you straight to the page where you can answer the first question. I will then send you your personal score and a free guide that will tell you the 7 untold truths that men must know about sexual performance anxiety. So if you want to see your score and get your hands on that guide of the 7 untold truths, click on the link below and I will see you there.